ang strumming pattern. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. Bagalan natin. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up. So, yung down, up na nasa hulihan, yun yung pagbuelo sa paglilipat ng another chord. Kasi ito yung minsan na hindi nagagawa ng ilan, lalo na sa beginner, kaya nagkakaroon ng paghinto sa pag-switch ng another chord kapag lilipat na. So, ngayon yung chords na gamitin natin dito for application, G, C add 9, and D. So now, let's apply the first strumming pattern. Down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Itong measure na to ay 4 measure. Kapag natapos na natin yung pattern sa isang chord, lipat sa another chord. Then, doon ay continue yung strumming, the same. Parang pabalik-balik lang yan. Tip ko lang, huwag nyong lalakasan kapag kayo ay mag-switch para hindi maingay yung strings. Parang ganito lang. Yan. Medyo hinaan natin. So, yung strumming pattern number 1 na to ay pwede natin magamit sa mabilis na kanta. Sa mga praise songs. Kaya ganito siya kapag mabilis na. Okay? So, pwede siyang bilisan nyo pa kapag okay na kayo dun sa pinakamabagal. Then, number 2, strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay. So, apply natin sa with chords. Sa mabagal muna. Then, sa mabilis. Strumming pattern number 3. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay. Mas mabagal. Down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Let's apply with chords. Try naman natin sa mabilis. Okay. So, napakaganda. Strumming pattern number 4. So, bago tayo magpatuloy sa strumming pattern number 4, baka hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel na to, at baka gusto mo na maabangan yung mga susunod kong tutorials, pindutin mo na yung subscribe button na nasa baba, at yung bell notification, tsaka yung all, para sigurado updated ka sa mga bagong videos na ina-upload ko. Pakilike na rin, baka gusto mo na i-like naman ang video na to, at kung may request ka naman, pwede ka mag-comment sa baba. So, itong number 4 na to ay usually nagagamit to sa mga semi-praise or semi-fast na strumming. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Mas mabagal. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, apply natin with chords. Try naman natin sa mabilis. Strumming pattern number 5. Down, down, Up, down, up, down, 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 up. Bagalan natin. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Let's apply with chords. Mas mabilis. So, itong pattern number 5 ay pwede rin siyang gamitin sa ganitong beat. Panoorin nyo. Strumming pattern number 6. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Bagalan natin. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Let's apply with chords. Try naman natin sa mabilis. And last pattern. Pattern number 7. So, itong pattern na ito ay kadalasan ginagamit sa mabilis na kanta. Common siya sa mga mabilis na kanta. Okay. Down, down, up, down, up. Yan. So, napakadali lang ng kanyang pattern. Pero maganda siya pakinggan pagdating sa mabilis na kanta. Down, down, up, down, up. So, i-apply natin with chords. Mabagal muna para makuha nyo. Apply natin sa mabilis. Diba? So, aralin nyo lang ng aralin yung iba't ibang strumming pattern niyan. Then, isaulo nyo para anytime na may gusto kang tugtugin na kanta, pwede kang pumili dyan ng pattern na pwede mong gamitin.